Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, let us solve this question. So we have t raised to power 4 is equal to 64. And here, we will solve for the value of t. Okay, so what will be the value of t? Now to solve this solution, we have t raised to power 4 is equal to 64. Now, first is that we're going to look at this 4 right here, and then we're going to, apply power of 4 on both sides of the equation. So we're going to have in brackets t raised to power 4 all raised to power 4 is equal to 64, then all raised to power 4. Then with this, we are then going to apply a rule that if you have in brackets a raised to power b power of d, this equals in brackets a raised to power d power of b. Okay, so we flip the d power of d to come inside and power of b to come outside. If you multiply the both powers, you will still get the same answer. So therefore, this applying this right here, the power 4 right here then comes inside, and power t over 4 comes outside. So this then becomes, you have in brackets t, then power 4 here comes inside, you have power 4, close bracket, then power t raised to power 4 goes outside, so you have t raised to power 4 is then equal to 64 all raised to power 4. With this, looking at the left hand side of the equation, we have it that t raised to power 4, which is the base, is the same as the exponent t raised to power 4. Now looking at the right hand side, 64, which is the base, is not equal to the exponent, which is 4. So we're going to make it that the base on the right hand side also should be equal to the exponent on the right hand side, same thing as we have on the left hand side, such that we can then compare the exponent and then solve for the value of t. Now to do such, we have in brackets t raised to power 4 all power of t raised to power 4, right, is equal to, now 64 right here can be written as 8 times 8, which is 64. So 8 squared in brackets 8 squared will give 64, then all power of 4. With this, applying the rule that if you have a raised to power b, all power of c, this equals a raised to power b times c. So applying this rule right here, we're going to have that t raised to power 4 all power of t raised to power 4 is equal to, now we have 8, then power 2 right here multiply power 4. Following this rule, you're going to have power 8. So as you can see, the base on the left hand side equals the exponent on the left hand side. Same thing also, the base on the right hand side equals the exponent on the right hand side. With this done, we can then apply the rule that if you have a raised to power c, which equals a raised to power d, the same base, we can then compare the exponents. So therefore, c is then equal to d. So with this, right, we can compare it that 3 to the power 4 is equal to 8 by comparing the exponents, okay? So t raised to power 4 is then equal to 8. With this, to then solve for t, we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by power 1 over 4. So in brackets, we have t raised to power 4, then power of 1 over 4 is equal to, here in brackets 8, then power of 1 over 4. Such that if we apply the same principle that if we have a raised to power b multiplied by power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. So this then becomes t raised to power 4, this 4 here, then multiplied by 1 over 4 is then equal to, you have 8 raised to power 1 over 4. With this, 4 we divide 4, you are left with 1, and we have t raised to power 1 is equal to 8 raised to power 1 over 4. With this, 3 raised to power 1 is same thing as t, which equals 8 raised to power 1 over 4, right? Good. So with this, 8 can be written as, we have t is equal to, 8 can be written as in brackets 2 raised to power 3, because 2 in 3 places will give us 8. Then all power of 1 over 4. Okay? Such that applying the same rule to this, right, power 3 will multiply power 1 over 4. We have it that t is then equal to 2 raised to power 3 times power 1 over 4, and t is then equal to 2 raised to power 3 times 1 is 3, then over 4. And this is the final value for the value of t. Or this t right here can be written as, if you have a raised to power b over c, this equals the power denominator becomes the root. So we have root of c, and then we have a, then the numerator then becomes the power. So applying this rule to this then becomes, or t equals to, you have 4 as the denominator, it becomes root 4, then 2 power of 3. So this can also be written as this, as the answer for t. Now, since we've gotten the answer for t, let's then check if this value of t that we got, okay, if raised to power t, then power of 4, will it give us 64? Let's confirm. We have t raised to power t raised to power 4 is equal to 64. And the value of t that we got is 2 raised to power 3 over 4. So t right here becomes 2 raised to power 3 over 4. Then all power of t is this 2 raised to power 3 over 4, right? Then all power of 4 is then equal to 64. So with this equals 64, okay, let's continue. Now applying this same rule that if you have a power of b, all power of c, this equals a power of b times c. Applying this right to this, right, power 3 over 4 multiply power of 4, we're going to have this, that we're going to have 2 raised to power 3 over 4, this one initially, then all power of, you have 2, then 3 times 4, 3 times 4 over 4. Is this equal to 64? Okay, let's confirm. So we have this equals, we have this 2 raised to power 3 over 4. Then all power of, you have 2. 3 times 4 is 12, all over 4. Will this be equal to 64? With this, what we have is 2 raised to power 3 over 4 in brackets. Now, 4 we divide 12, you have 3. So, all raised to power 2 raised to power 3. Will this be equal to 64? Let's confirm. So, we have 2 raised to power 3 over 4. All raised to power. Now, 2 raised to power 3 is 2 in 3 places, which is equal to 8. Will this be equal to 64? At this junction, 3 over 4 multiply 8. So, you're going to have in bracket 2 times power 3 over 4 times 8, right? Will this be equal to 64? Solving this, we have it that in bracket 2 raised to power 3 times 8 is 24 over 4. Will this be equal to 64? So we have 2 raised to power 24 over 4 is equal to 6. So will this be equal to 64? And if we were to solve this, so 2 power of 6 is 2 in 6 places. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With this equals 64. Now 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 64, and this equal to 64. So as you can see, the value of t that we got satisfy this given equation. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and please do it to share the video to your friend. And please also don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. See you in the next video. Thank you.